In this video, we will show you how to send money from Nigeria to Europe. If you guys want to get started with Wise, you can use the links down in the description. If you don't already have a Wise account, sign up on the Wise website. You'll need to prove some personal information and verify your identity. Once your account is set up, add funds to your Wise account. You can do this by linking your Nigerian bank account or using a debit card. First, choose the country you want to send money to. Wise support transfers to many countries, including Europe, the UK, Canada, and more. Next, provide the recipient's bank account details including their name, bank name, account number, and any other required information. Then, review the transfer details including the exchange rates and fees. Once everything looks good, confirm the transfer. The money will be sent to the recipient's bank account typically within a few hours to a couple of days. So that's how to send money from Nigeria to Europe. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Wise. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.